your boy Eds, and I'm back. This is our official second episode in which, gaya ng sinabi ko, from the pilot episode, we are going to start unboxing shirts. So, in case na-miss nyo yung first episode, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Baka gusto nyo mapanood. Anyway, without further ado, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung mga bagong shirts. Mainit-init pa, kakadating lang niya ngayon. So, I got them from, yan na, kaka-deliver lang ng Lazada today. Yeah. And, like what I promised, mas detalyado to. Isa-isahin talaga natin yung shirts, re-reviewin natin siya talaga all throughout. So yun, let's start.
So basically, may nakita akong ad which is from Luho Clothing. As you can see, this is their Facebook page. Ayan yung website nila, www.luho.ph. Lalagay ko na rin sa description below yung link ng Facebook page nila. So, dito ako bumili nung shirts na i-review natin ngayon. Pero hindi physically, hindi ako nagpunta sa store nila. Though medyo malapit lang pala siya sa amin. Because upon checking, nasa Aguirre lang siya sa BF Homes, Parañaque. So if you guys want to visit, ayan yung address nila. So going back, dito ako bumili ng shirts, and ito yung mga shirts na binili ko. So first is yung collaboration ng LFLB, or Less Friends, Less Bullshit. That's what it stands for. And Collective Drop. So ito yung first item. Next is yung Powerpuff ng LFLB. Third is yung Sinchan. Yan. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Next we have Space Cake. And finally, from Nemesis Clothing, we have Eve of Destruction.
Pero naisip ko, ba't nga ba unboxing? Hindi naman siya box. But, of course, it sounds good. Kaya, let's stick to unboxing na lang. Kahit hindi siya box. Looking good. Okay, mukha naman siya kompleto. So, first, ito yung first item. Ito yung second item. Ito yung third item. Ito yung fourth item. And last but not the least, ito yung pang fifth item. Wala nang ibang laman. So, hindi ko sure kung meron siyang stickers. Pero, we'll see. Isa-isahin pa natin siya ulit mamaya. Hopefully, kahit isang sticker man lang meron. Okay, so now that you've seen my new shirts, sana natuwa kayo. Sayang lang wala talagang stickers. But okay lang yun. Hopefully, next purchases, meron tayong makuha mga freebies. Ayun, speaking of next purchase, abangan nyo na order ko na yung shirt para sa third episode natin. Excited na ako. Sana excited din kayo makita to. So thank you so much for watching. You can help by sharing this video. You can also subscribe into my channel, and you can give it a like kung natuwa kayo. So kayo nang bahala. In case meron kayong gusto kong i-try na mga clothing line, comment lang kayo sa Facebook or sa YouTube channel ko. Check ko yung page nila. As long as they offer online payments, orderin natin yan. Tapos kung malupit naman yung designs, why not, di ba? Again, our goal is to help the local community or yung local street brand makers natin. Yan. So anyway, again, salamat again, and see you on the next episode. Thank you so much. Ingat!